Natural remedies can provide relief for a sore throat by soothing irritation and reducing inflammation. Here are some top options. Number 1. Salt water gargle. Mix half a teaspoon of salt in a glass of warm water and gargle several times a day. Salt water helps reduce inflammation and loosen mucus, providing relief for a sore throat. Number 2. Honey. Honey has antibacterial and soothing properties that can help relieve a sore throat. Add a teaspoon of honey to a cup of warm herbal tea or warm water with lemon. Number 3. Warm herbal teas. Herbal teas such as chamomile, peppermint, ginger, and licorice root can help soothe a sore throat and provide relief. Add honey for an extra soothing effect. Number 4. Ginger tea. Ginger has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that can help alleviate throat pain and reduce inflammation. Steep fresh ginger slices in hot water to make ginger tea. Number 5. Apple cider vinegar. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water and gargle to help kill bacteria and relieve throat pain. Number 6. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, a gel-like substance that coats and soothes the throat. Steep marshmallow root in hot water to make a soothing tea. Number 7. Licorice root. Licorice root has demulcent properties that can help coat and soothe a sore throat. Drink licorice root tea or suck on a licorice root lozenge for relief. Number 8. Steam inhalation. Inhaling steam from a bowl of hot water or a steamy shower can help moisturize and soothe a sore throat, as well as loosen mucus and congestion. Number 9. Warm salt water gargle with baking soda. Mix half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of warm water and gargle to help reduce inflammation and kill bacteria. Number 10. Turmeric milk. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric powder into a glass of warm milk and drink before bedtime for soothing relief. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of fluids and avoid irritants such as smoke and pollutants that can worsen a sore throat. If your symptoms persist or worsen, consult with a healthcare professional for further evaluation and treatment. If you like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel for some more useful content and health-related tips. Let's make every day a step towards a happier and healthier you.